Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys alarm ringtone setting, and today video title is guys how to set alarm ringtone on Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to set alarm ringtone on your Redmi mobile, so friend how to set alarm ringtone in this video I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you want to set your phone ringtone, you want to set notification ringtone, you can set from here. Friends, click on alarm ringtone. And friends, you can check alarm ringtone is off on our device. So friends, we will on alarm ringtone. Select all ringtone guys, click here. Friends, which ringtone do you like guys? Select your ringtone. So friends, I like this ringtone. I will set. Friends, you can see this ringtone will set on device, and we can increase and decrease volume from here. After set ringtone friends, you want to use your alarm ringtone sound. So friends, click on clock, and friends you can set alarm. Plus icon, click here. Friends, you can see 11:32. So guys, we will set into 11:33 and allow guys, give permission. Friends, after 1 minute we can use our alarm ringtone on Redmi phone. Friends, you can see alarm ringtone has set it. You can check guys icon also on screen. Friends, you can see upcoming alarm 11:33 am. So after few seconds we can use alarm ringtone on Redmi mobile guys. And friends, you can set alarm ringtone with shortcut setting, direct search here, sound and ringtone setting guys, and click on ringtone setting. And friends, you can set your alarm ringtone. You want to change your alarm ringtone sound, so you can change your Redmi phone alarm ringtone sound from here. Friends, you can see alarm ringtone we will stop. So like that friends, you can set and use alarm ringtone on your Redmi mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching.